Hey friends, welcome back in. Talk about one-stop shop. The Du Bois Community Center Health Fair going to have so much of what you're looking for this time of year. The multiple vaccinations, they've got them. Checking on your A1C, you bet. Screenings for heart disease, so much more.
That's right. And with more information is Valerie Scott. She's with us today. Thank you so much for coming in, Valerie.
Thank you for having us, Lisa.
Well, okay, so the health fair, I mean, it's so important for everyone out there. But you know, something that caught my eye, too, was the Treasurer's Department is involved in this, too. So let's talk about that.
We have heard that $2.4 million in Montgomery County alone is unclaimed property and unclaimed money.
Wow.
And so this is an opportunity to bring people who don't get on the internet a lot.
Right.
A lot of people go on missingmoney.com site.
Right.
But people who at this health fair who are not insured, who's looking for an opportunity to be able to do things like this, they're able to talk to the state office themselves.
Directly.
Yes, because they don't trust this system. Anybody say you got free money, people just don't believe that.
Right.
And so this is an opportunity for the government to come in and say, yes, this is your unclaimed property, and yes, this is how you get it.
Love that. And you
you
never know what's out there, so you got to check.
But 2.4 reasons to come.
That's right.
To the Du Bois Community Center.
That's right.
Valerie, can you run down some of the vaccinations are going to be offered and some of the medical screenings that you all are going to have there? Because it really is a great opportunity to kind of knock a lot of this out at once.
And the COVID and the flu, and you can get them together too.
Okay.
Yes.
And then we also have shingles. Now, shingles is something that is dear to me because some of my family members had shingles, and I didn't know about the vaccine. And so a lot of people in our communities don't know. So here's an opportunity to get a free shingles vaccine, along with the new COVID vaccines, along with all the RSV respiratory vaccines.
Yes.
It's just a blessing to have all of that all in one place.
It really is.
I've been told you do not want shingles.
Yes,
Absolutely
we were talking
not.
about
It's
that.
very, very painful.
Yes.
Sometimes it get on your face.
Oh, yeah.
And so just imagine coming there and being able to get that to be preventive, because this health fair is about prevention.
Yes.
And so all of these things that you're coming to get is preventative. A1C, learning about diabetes, learning about
You got to know that A1C number.
You got to know.
And you got to work on it too.
And that's part of the screenings that you're going to be offering too, the A1C. And what other screenings are going to be offered there?
Just a whole lot when it comes to the Narcan hepatitis C. You're going to get Narcan training. You're going to take away some tests for that. COVID test, mask, a lot of great things. Also, Pathways will be there for mental health. And one of the things for people my age, Sanders Brown from Lexington, going to be there doing memory screenings.
Oh,
you know how it is when you see people, you say, I can't think of her name, but you know who they are.
Right.
And you're like, am I getting Alzheimer's? You know, what's going on? And if you have a family history of that, so come down, and they're going to be there from Lexington to give those screenings.
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Sounds like a lot going on. And we buried the lead here. It's free.
Absolutely
free to attend this.
Free lunch too.
Yes,
very
tremendous.
good.
And the reason it's free, Common Spirit Hospitals, we got a grant.
Okay.
And they're going to be paying for most of this and paying for those lifeline screenings.
Oh, that's
You know
great.
those lifeline screenings where you get for your aorta screenings for your
Yes.
heart and blockages? Those are very expensive. And those tests are going to be, you can sign up for those tests, and they're going to come to Du Bois Community Center. And then that's going to be a one-day thing for people to come, and you can sign up for those and get those tests free.
What an opportunity.
That is fantastic. I mean, very much. I mean, it's engulfing a lot of different screenings that folks don't have to pay for, totally free.
Yes.
So what is the time and the location again?
10 a.m. to 1 at 100 Hamilton Avenue in Mount Sterling.
Okay.
And you can get a free ride.
Oh, look at
Gateway
that.
Community Action is offering free rides.
Very
so that's what's, and a lot of people who are disabled, they're able to get on that van anywhere in Montgomery County and come for free.
We all thought of everything.
Yeah, free lunch, free ride, free test, free screening.
And it's all happening tomorrow.
all happening tomorrow. And
Very
it's going to be a blessing because our last health fair, we had people who did the lifeline screening.
Yes.
And one person did have some issues with blockages. So if we can just help one person,
It's a win.
just
It
one
is.
person, it's a win.
It is.
And so that's we just want people to come, because a lot of men don't like to come either. Men don't like to come and get screened.
We drag our feet a little bit.
And so we just want our men, and then also sign up for breast cancer mammograms. We're also still speaking about mammograms. So if you cannot afford mammogram tests, there's an opportunity to get signed up for those too.
Well,
awesome.
Valerie, thank you so much for coming in today. We appreciate it.
Yep. Thought of everything on this one, Valerie.
Oh, yeah.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Back after this, gang. Stick around.